Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentics Next Gen from the 2022 Wave 2. We have Cole Custer's 41 test car. Here's the back of all the other cars. Let's get Cole Custer out of his box. So here we have the sticker, which looks similar to the top of his car. The side number, which is a circle and a 41. The team logo, Stewart-Haas Racing. Let's get Cole, and here is Cole Custer. So obviously I've shown you the last 4 next gen cars, but this time this is a Ford. So the Ford has a new design on the front, which you can't really see because it's mostly black. Obviously they still are going with the Mustang. The diffuser, yeah, that's what it's called. Last time I kind of forgot, but now I got it. So obviously the Fords have a new body shape, different from the Chevrolets. So obviously now that the team's numbers are now way off to the side and for more room with the sponsors, like right here is a good example, 41, and Stewart-Haas Racing takes up majority of the sides. So on the hood, you have silver stripes along with the blue circle with the number 41, Stewart-Haas Racing, team logo. And on the front, you can see the headlights, the grid, the grille, which is black, which you can't really see that well. Only one exhaust pipe coming out from the sides. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.